Morning everyone. Well, this is it. I'm in. I'm going to be spending some considerable time here. Obviously due to me being in here, I'm having to take photographs and video, and subsequent uploads will occur when I become connected to Wi-Fi, because I crossed yesterday with about £12 credit on data, and that vanished by the early evening. So anyway, I will keep you all posted. Bye. Right guys, I've just walked along Kennedy to as far as I can get. Frustratingly, I could I got to a barrier and the Lordos e-toil was straight in front of me, and through the trees I could see Marango's house, but the police and army are there, and obviously you're not allowed to go beyond that. So near yet so far. So they've redirected me along here. Yeah. Blisteringly hot, by the way. I think this is where they've obviously diverted, so you go around the area where Kennedy is. So this is now where I am going. Bit of shade. Oh no, here comes the sun again. Now, that is obviously a building sort of more or less opposite Marango's house, which looks like is habited, probably by the military. Anyway, we continue. I'm now on Maurus. Oh no, what does that say? Whatever it says, that's where I am. Yeah. Oh. Right. We'll be back with further updates. Right. Here we are again. We can see the golden plage just through the gap there. Honestly, my feelings at the moment are I have nothing but contempt for the people that have done this or allowed this to happen. Yes, a message to Mr. Plumber. Are you sure you weren't here at one point? Here we are, the other side of Kennedy, golden plage there. This is where it stops on the other side, so mysterious hotel here. And yeah, it's as far as you can get round from the other side, but you can obviously, as you can see, carry on walking. And up ahead there is another Lordos establishment. If you're watching Mr. Arthur C. Lordos, yeah. Arthur? Did I just call him Arthur? No, Andreas, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and over here we have the fallen crane. What appears to be a fallen crane, maybe not. Okay. Nice gentle breeze coming now, and how good it would be to just sneak through there to the beach. I can hear, yeah, there's a lot of pigeons. You can imagine what the interior of these places, I mean, you know, it just never ceases to amaze me what a complete waste all of this is, all because two sides could not come to some agreement. So at the end of the day, I'm sorry to say, between the politicians and yourselves, you've created this. And for what? Here you go, look. Here you go. Just through there. You know? Yeah. And all of this now is turning to dust. I mean, obviously we can see... Oh, anybody need a fridge? Anyway, we can see there's decay, clear vandalism, windows don't break on their own. So here we go, see that? Here's yet again evidence of buildings being marked C14, and what that means. And this was once a supermarket underneath Lordos Apartments. Stripped bare. Yeah. Yeah. Strips it bare. Anyway, further updates to follow. So it begins. Time finally caught up with King George. How very sad.